Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nadia Umaira. I'm from class 19 to 11. I will explain about inside the computer and hardware. English 2 Mid Test Project with Mrs. Meifa Ekasri S. Hum MPD. 1. What's inside the computer? General purpose computers have four main components. They are arithmetic logic unit or ALU, control, memory, and input or output units device, collectively called I or O. These parts are interconnected by buses, often created in groups cable. And there are main components in the computer. Arithmetic logic unit or ALU, one of the internal part of a microprocessor that functions to perform arithmetic and logical calculation operations. Examples of arithmetic operations are addition and subtraction operations, while examples of logical operations are and or logic. Then, there are control units. The control unit is often called a control system or central control. Functions as computer manager of various components. He reads and interprets decoding program instructions. Transforming them, they become a series of control signals activate other parts of the computer. Then there are memory. Computer's memory can be viewed as a list of cells into which numbers can be placed or read. Computer main memory comes into principal varieties. They are random access memory or RAM and read-only memory or ROM. RAM can be read and written to any time the CPU commands it, but ROM is preloaded with data and software that never changes. Therefore, the CPU can only read from it. Then there are input or output. I or O is the means by which a computer exchanges information with the outside world. Devices that provide input or output to the computer are called peripherals. On the typical personal computer, peripherals include input devices like the keyboard and mouse, and output devices such as the display and printer. Hard disk drives, floppy disk drive, and optical disk drive serve as both input and output devices. 2. Hardware. Hardware is physical equipment of computer system. Hardware can be divided into categories. There are input device and output device. What's input and output? Input device is any peripheral piece of computer hardware equipment used to provide data and control signals to an information processing system such as a computer or other information appliance. Input device can be divided into some categories. And then, output device is any piece of computer hardware equipment used to communicate the results of data processing carried out by an information processing system such as a computer, which converts the electronically generated information into human readable form. Peripheral piece of computer hardware equipment used to provide data and control signals to an information processing system such as a computer or other information appliance. Next, input device categories. There are 1. Text input devices, such as keyboard, a device to input text and characters by depressing buttons, referred to as keys, similar to a typewriter. The most common English language key layout is the QWERTY or QWERTY layout. Below is a picture of the keyboard using QWERTY layout. 2. Pointing device. The most common pointing device is mouse. In computing, a mouse, plural mice or mouse devices, is a pointing device that functions by dedicating two-dimensional motion relative to its supporting surface. 3. Game devices. One example of gaming device is the joystick. A joystick is a general control device that consists of a handle stick that pivots around one end to detect angles in 2 or 3 dimensions. 4. Image and video input devices. There are 2 common input devices in this type. First is image scanner. A device can provide this input by analyzing image, print text, handwriting, or an object. Second type is a webcam. Webcams are video capturing device connected to computers or computer network, often using USB or if they connect to network, internet or Wi-Fi. And last is 5. Audio input devices. One example of audio input device is a microphone. Microphone, sometimes referred to as a mic or mic, is an acoustic to electric transducer or sensor that converts sounds into an electrical signals. And then there are output device categories. First, image and output devices. First example is a printer. In computing, a printer is a peripheral which produces a hard copy, permanent human readable text and or graphics of documents stored in electronic form, usually on physical print media such as paper or transparency. And 2. Audio output devices. There are speakers. Computer speakers or multimedia speakers are external speakers, commonly equipped with a low-power internal amplifier. And then there are headsets. Headphones are a pair of small loudspeakers, or less commonly in a single speaker, with a way of holding them close to a user's ears and a means of connecting them to a signal such as a radio amplifier, radio or CD player. That's all from me. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.